Good morning, student. Students, listen it carefully.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.
Okay, now there are 26 alphabets in English language. Okay, student. Now, today we are going to learn our next lesson, lesson number 5, alphabetical order. Okay, now just see here. We know that in our English language there are 26 alphabets. A to Z there are 26 alphabets. Now just see here. Alphabetical order or ABCD order is the order in which words are arranged according to the letter of the alphabet. Okay, today we are going to learn how to arrange alphabetically order. Okay, now just see here words names: Nita, Priya, Jenny, Salma, Harpreet and Frini. Okay, these are some names of girls names. Okay, now we have to arrange these names in alphabetical order. What to do first? First of all, just check out which alphabet we can arrange here first according to ABCD order. Just check out here. First comes F. Okay, so we have to write down first of all Frini name here. First of all Frini, because the name spelling start from F and in our alphabetical order F come first. So write down first of all Frini name here. Afterwards, after F, H comes. Right, student? So after Frini, write down Harpreet name. Harpreet. Name of the girl Harpreet. H. Okay, because it comes after F. Now just check out next one, Jenny. Okay, so write down Jenny spelling here, J. Next one is there, N. Nita. N. The spelling start from N. So we write down Nita spelling after Jenny. After Nita, Priya. P comes. Then write down spelling of Priya here, Priya. And last one is Salma. Okay, the Salma spelling start from S. So write down Salma last one. Okay, student. You have to arrange these names according to alphabetical order. We only see how it comes, how A come first, afterwards B, C, D, like this order. Okay. Now just see here. If you are given two or more words beginning with the same letter, then you must look at the second letter, okay, of the words and then arrange the words in alphabetical order like this. Just see the next examples. When all the spellings comes in a same letter first, then how to arrange this alphabetical order. Okay, if it is there like this, just read Sunil, Shyam, Sohan, Salim and Stani. Okay, here all the spellings start from S letter. Okay, S alphabet is there. So what to do here? Then afterwards S, which alphabet is come first? Just check out here in the Sunil spelling U is there. Okay, Sham spelling after S, H is there. Again Sohan spelling after S, O is there. Salim spelling after S, A is there. And last one Stani spelling after S, T is there. Then when it comes like this, then consider the next second letter. Okay, and according to the second letter arrange these words in alphabetical order. Just see here, Salim. Okay, Salim. Here after S, A comes first, na? In alphabetical order, A comes first. So we write down Salim spelling first. After A, H is there in Sham spelling. So we have to write down Sham spelling after Salim. After Sham, Sohan. Sohan, because after H, O is there. Okay. So we have to write down Sohan spelling. Afterwards, Stani, and last word Sunil. This is how words are arranged in a dictionary or a telephone directory. Okay. Now just see exercise. These animals have to enter the zoo in alphabetical order. Help them to do so by writing their names correctly in an alphabetical order. There are some animals enter in the zoo, so you have to arrange these animals in alphabetical order. First one is given already. Okay. You just check out the alphabetical order, and with the help of this order you have to write down these animals' name according to the sequence. Total 20 names are given here. Okay. I will write some numbers, answer numbers over here. You have to write down these answer. You have to solve this exercise and write down these animals' name according to their alphabetical order. Just check orally. First one is already given, bear, because B alphabet come first, B. Okay. Now the second number, cheetah. Write down cheetah in second number. Third number, cobra. Okay. Here again the two spellings are, the first alphabets are same here, CC, but after C, check out the second alphabet. In cheetah, H is there, and in cobra, O is there. So which alphabet come first? H. Yes. So we have to write down cheetah first, and after cheetah, cobra. Third number, cobra. Fourth one, just check out with me. Fourth number, yes, deer. So write down deer in fourth number. Yes, because C, after C, D. We can find here D alphabet. So write down D, deer. Fifth one, just check out with me. Fifth one, here, elephant. So write down elephant in fifth number. Sixth one, in the sixth number, fox. 7, giraffe. 8, gorilla. 9, hippopotamus. 10, hyena. 11, jackal. 12, in 12 number, kangaroo. 13, leopard. 14, lion. 15, monkey. 16, python. 17, rhinoceros. 17, 18, tiger. 19, wolf. And number 20, zebra. Okay. So this is your homework. Write down all these 20 animals' names over here. Whenever you write, first of all, check out their alphabetical order. Okay, student.